Hey! Today I'm gonna be decorating my walls with some wrapping paper because I live in a rental and I want to keep my deposit. Wah! Don't mind me, just practicing the skills. Let's get started, shall we? So first I'm just measuring up my walls. I've got to take into account my attic roof because I am a goblin. Sticking up with a bit of masking tape first. Then going for the full Monty with some scotch tape so I don't ruin the walls. I actually messed up this bit when cutting it, so that's why there are two parts. Now I'm cutting some stars with my paper cutting machine, very fancy. Look at those gorgeous boys. Let's stick them to my wall, shall we? With a bloop, and a bloop, 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 bloop. Oh, re-bloop. Bloop, bloop, and bloop. And there you have it, my decorated wrapping paper wall that won't get me in trouble with my landlord. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Oh, I love the stars, and look at the bunting that I made. It says magical. It's so cute. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time.